Hello everybody. The separation of liquid mixtures into various substances they contain is a step needed in many fields of science and engineering. Usually, this is done by spinning the mixture at high speed in a machine called centrifuge. Alternatively, you can do it with your bike. In this experiment, we will find out how to do it. We are gonna need oil, vinegar, mustard, 2 test tubes with caps, a jar, and a tape. Okay? In a jar, we are gonna mix 3 parts of oil, 3 parts of oil, 1 part of vinegar, I'm gonna use this one. Okay. And a little bit of mustard. We try to mix the components in the jar, and then we pour the mixture into the test tubes. One and the other. Okay. Now we put the tops on the test tubes, and to make sure that we are not gonna have any leak, we're gonna cover them with adhesive tape. So we are gonna make sure that the tops will be completely tight. And now we are gonna shake the tubes for about 10 seconds to homogenize the mixture. Okay, now we have a cloudy mixture of oil, vinegar, and mustard. The same with the other one. And now we are gonna turn upside down the bike to do the experiment. Okay. And we are gonna tape one of the test tubes to a spoke in the back wheel. We're gonna try to put the tube, we are gonna put the tube resting on the rim of the bike. Thank you. Gonna do the same. To make sure that the two tubes will stay in this position and not fly away. Okay. Now we're gonna spin the pedal of the bike for about 30 seconds. Start now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, and 30. And we let the wheel to stop without trying to put our fingers, because we would get caught by the spokes of the bike. So, and now we are going to remove the tube from the wheel and see what happens. Okay, we're gonna see the results that we got after using the bike as a centrifuge. You can see the separation that has occurred between the heavier components of the mixture we use and the lighter, that would be the oil, and at the bottom the water with the mustard. If we compare it with the sample that didn't have any centrifugation, you can see the difference. What is the scientific principle behind the experiment we have just made? A centrifuge works using the sedimentation principle around a rotation center that was the center of the wheel. The sample rotates with the wheel, and in that way, the heavier liquids or components were to the bottom of the tube, while the lighter components go up. In that way, the centrifugal force is used to separate components of blood. Let's say the red blood cells, white blood cells, and plasma. They are separated by centrifugal force. The centrifuges used for these purposes, of course, are much more powerful, and the spinning speed is much higher, around 5,000 RPM instead of the speed we can reach with a wheel. I hope you enjoyed the experiment. Thank you so much. See you soon.